Golly. Good afternoon, folks. Johnny Bonzo here. Today, Hurricane Helene is supposed to be hitting. So I'm out here trying to catch a couple bass. So far, that was my third cast, guys, and got this nice one to hit the rattle trap. Folks, stay tuned. I'm gonna be hopping around until the weather don't allow me to, so maybe I'll get a bomb today. Yes, sir, guys. Pulled over, first time ever at this spot. Just wanted to see if there was a fish. I guess so. Oh my God, he hammered the hammer. Oh man. So worth pulling over and checking out these spots when you get a nice one. Guys, I'm not gonna wear her, but she's a nice bass. Can't wait to explore this spot. Big Bass Bilecki. We got a Route 1 Part 2. Caught that one 1 foot in front of me. Guys, another spot I've never fished before. Just drove by it and swung through. Man, not a bad looking bass right there. Oh, Big Bass Bilecki, can't wait till you're in town next. Decent, nothing to write home about. I just lost it. Threw the trap at me. Guys, it's starting to blow. Wow, guys. Yeah, baby. Ooh. Trying to be really careful with the rattle trap here. I have put too many of these through my thumb. really starting to pick up. Probably another 5 minutes and I'm out of here. Alright guys, unfortunately the outer skirts of Helene are here. It's starting to rain. Fish are biting. I hate to quit. Guys, if you enjoyed yourself at all this week, hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Hit the subscribe button. Johnny Bonzo.